So in this Inkscape tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to align objects here in Inkscape. So once Inkscape is opened up, I'm going to add some objects here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a square. I'm going to go ahead and add a circle. I'll go ahead here and I'll add maybe a star like this, whatever the case may be. There are my objects. If I wanted to align all these objects, press the arrow, make sure that all of them are highlighted just like this. Once again, make sure all of them are highlighted just like this. Open up this bar on the right, so go to the top right here, and press on Align and Distribute. Once you guys are here, you can go ahead and actually align it. So if you wanted to align it on the left side, you can go ahead and do that. If you wanted to align on the right side, you can go ahead and do that. You can kind of play around this way in regards to whatever you're hoping to really do. So it's pretty straightforward that way. You can also go ahead and align them to the top and to the bottom. So you can kind of play around with it this way in regards to aligning your images or your objects. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can align objects here on Inkscape. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.